And the egg wash, again, is milk, pinch of salt, and egg yolk. Once in a while, a piece of white gets in there. We don't mind it. You wash it nice and neat all around. Because if you miss a spot, that spot won't have the desired color. And then you roll it in your oats, just to give it a different look. You have a tray of oats available here at all times. Just roll it, and then you put it on the belt. What that belt does, belt helps us get inside that oven all the way to the end. The oven is 6.2 square meters of baking surface, and it weighs about 9,000 pounds. It took them 4 days to build it here at a cost of $65,000. So that oven is able to keep the heat consistent all over the oven. Front and back are almost identical in terms of temperature. One of the problems most bakeries have and most home ovens have, that the front of the oven is cooler than the back of the oven. You get inconsistency. This oven uses the most advanced technology where it has pipes all around it. It has a central cooking element that's gas driven. It heats up the steam. Steam moves in these rolling pipes all around the ovens, and it creates a constant temperature. And when you put your dough in there, you don't have a cool spot and a hot spot. All of the oven has a identical temperature.